In the digital age, connecting with customers is key. Enter AI-powered chatbots, a game-changing technology revolutionizing how we interact online. These aren't the clunky, frustrating bots of the past. AI chatbots are sophisticated, utilizing the power of artificial intelligence to engage in human-like conversations. Imagine a shopping assistant available 24/7, guiding you through an endless aisle of products. AI chatbots are transforming industries, and one area experiencing a seismic shift is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing thrives on connecting businesses with potential customers. AI chatbots offer a unique edge, empowering businesses to engage with potential customers on a personalized level. Imagine this: a potential customer lands on your website, curious about a product you promote. Instead of navigating a maze of web pages, they're greeted by a friendly AI chatbot. This chatbot, armed with a wealth of information, answers their questions, provides tailored recommendations, and guides them towards a purchase. AI chatbots ensure every interaction is a chance to connect, inform, and convert.
The term AI gets thrown around a lot these days, often shrouded in an aura of complexity and futuristic mystique. But understanding AI-powered chatbots doesn't require a degree in computer science. At their core, these chatbots are communication tools designed to mimic human interaction. They achieve this through a clever combination of technologies, primarily natural language processing, or NLP, and machine learning. By identifying patterns and trends within this data, the chatbot refines its responses over time, becoming more accurate, relevant, and helpful with each interaction.
Imagine teaching a child to ride a bike. AI chatbots learn in a similar way, through a process called machine learning. They're trained on massive data sets, allowing them to identify patterns and make predictions based on the information they've absorbed. This ability to learn and adapt is what sets AI chatbots apart from their rule-based predecessors.
In the world of online business, personalization is key. Customers crave experiences tailored to their unique needs and preferences. Armed with a wealth of customer data, these digital assistants become customer whisperers, understanding individual desires and anticipating their needs. This level of personalization fosters a sense of connection and loyalty, turning casual browsers into repeat customers.
In the fast-paced world of online business, timing is everything. Traditional customer service models, limited by business hours and human capacity, often struggle to keep up with this demand. This is where AI chatbots offer a distinct advantage: 24/7 availability. Whether it's 3 a.m. or a bustling Friday afternoon, these digital assistants are always ready to engage with potential customers. AI chatbots provide instant support, guiding customers through their purchase journey at any time, in any time zone. This constant availability not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also ensures that no lead goes cold.
As your affiliate marketing efforts grow, so too does the demand for customer interaction. AI chatbots offer a scalable solution, allowing businesses to effortlessly handle a large volume of interactions without breaking a sweat. These digital assistants can simultaneously engage with hundreds, even thousands of customers, providing personalized support at an unprecedented scale. This scalability not only optimizes operational efficiency, but also ensures that every customer receives prompt and personalized attention.
In today's digital landscape, customers are bombarded with generic marketing messages. AI chatbots, with their ability to gather and analyze vast amounts of customer data, become personalization powerhouses, tailoring the affiliate experience like never before. Imagine a customer browsing your affiliate link for a new pair of running shoes. An AI chatbot, accessing their purchase history and browsing patterns, could instantly recommend shoes that match their preferred brand, style, and price range.
Jumping headfirst into any new technology can lead to confusion and wasted resources. AI chatbots, while powerful, are most effective when deployed strategically, and start by identifying the specific areas within your affiliate marketing funnel where a chatbot can make the biggest impact. Setting clear objectives from the outset will allow you to measure the ROI of your chatbot implementation and make data-driven adjustments along the way.
With countless chatbot platforms available, selecting the right one for your affiliate marketing needs can feel overwhelming. Start by considering the platform's integration capabilities. Next, assess the platform's customization options. Choosing a platform that can evolve alongside your business is essential for long-term success.
Building an AI chatbot is like writing a choose-your-own-adventure story. You need to craft engaging dialogue flows that guide users towards a desired outcome. Start by mapping out the different paths a user might take within the chatbot interaction. Next, focus on crafting natural-sounding dialogue. Remember, a chatbot interaction should feel like a conversation, not an interrogation. A/B testing different variations can reveal valuable insights into what resonates best with your audience and drives the highest conversion rates.
While basic chatbot functionalities like answering FAQs and providing product information can significantly enhance the customer experience, AI chatbots are capable of so much more. By integrating advanced AI-powered features, you can unlock their full potential and transform your affiliate marketing efforts. One such feature is personalized recommendations. Another powerful feature is automated sales assistance. AI chatbots can be integrated with customer relationship management or CRM systems to personalize interactions further. In the traditional affiliate marketing model, businesses often rely on passive tactics. But with AI chatbots, you can shift from passive to proactive, engaging customers at strategic points in their journey and gently guiding them toward conversion. Imagine a scenario where a customer lands on a product page through your affiliate link. As they browse, an AI chatbot pops up offering a friendly greeting and asking if they have any questions. This ability to anticipate customer needs and provide timely assistance is what sets AI chatbots apart as powerful tools for affiliate marketing success.
Gone are the days of static FAQ pages and frustrating customer support experiences. AI chatbots are redefining customer service in the affiliate marketing world, acting as intelligent agents capable of handling a wide range of inquiries with speed and accuracy. Imagine a customer encountering an issue with a product they purchased through your affiliate link. The chatbot, equipped with a comprehensive knowledge base and advanced natural language processing capabilities, can quickly understand the issue and provide a helpful solution.
Personalization is a powerful tool in the affiliate marketer's arsenal, but it's a delicate balance. AI chatbots, when implemented thoughtfully, can strike the perfect balance, leveraging data to create delightful and personalized experiences that resonate with customers. The key is to use data ethically and transparently. Personalization should enhance, not overshadow, the human element of your affiliate marketing efforts.
For setting the bar, defining KPIs for chatbot success. In affiliate marketing, data reigns supreme. Every click, every interaction tells a story. AI chatbots capture and analyze vast amounts of data. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are crucial. KPIs reflect your chatbot's effectiveness in achieving goals. Tracking KPIs provides insights and identifies areas for improvement. Conversion rate is a crucial KPI for affiliate marketers. It measures the percentage of users completing a desired action. Another important KPI is the customer satisfaction score. Data as your compass. Unlocking insights from chatbot interactions. Raw data, like a jumbled puzzle, holds little meaning without context and interpretation. The true power of chatbot data lies in its ability to unlock actionable insights. By digging deeper into chatbot interactions, you can uncover hidden patterns and understand customer behavior. One valuable data point is the user journey map. Analyzing user paths helps identify common pain points and opportunities for improvement. High drop-off rates might indicate confusing questions or lack of relevant information. User intent analysis provides deeper understanding of motivations. Examining user questions helps tailor chatbot responses.
Section 3, the optimization cycle, refining your chatbot strategy. In digital marketing, stagnation is not an option. Successful marketers embrace continuous improvement, refining strategies to stay ahead. AI chatbots with data-driven insights are perfect for this optimization cycle. View your chatbot as a dynamic tool that evolves with your business. Regularly review performance metrics and experiment to enhance engagement. A/B testing optimizes chatbot conversations. Test variations to see which performs best with your audience. Test greetings, recommendations, or offers for higher engagement.
Where voice and AI converge. Remember when interacting with a computer meant typing on a keyboard? Now voice assistants like Alexa and Siri are everywhere. Voice is becoming the primary interface, with AI chatbots leading the way. Imagine a customer asking about a product while commuting. Voice-enabled AI chatbots respond instantly, guiding them to a purchase. This integration is transforming interactions and disrupting affiliate marketing. The conversational cloud will be key for marketers to capture attention and drive conversions. Stepping into the metaverse AI chatbots in immersive experiences. The metaverse, a persistent and immersive digital world blending virtual reality, augmented reality, and the internet, is rapidly moving from science fiction to reality. And as we step into these immersive experiences, AI chatbots will be there, acting as our guides, companions, and even our shopping buddies. Imagine this. You're exploring a virtual store in the metaverse, browsing through a dazzling array of digital products. An AI-powered chatbot, understanding your preferences and past purchases, appears by your side, offering personalized recommendations and even helping you try on virtual clothing or test out digital gadgets. This seamless blend of AI and immersive technology promises to revolutionize how we shop, play, and connect with brands. Affiliate marketers who embrace these immersive experiences and integrate AI chatbots into their metaverse strategies will have a unique opportunity to engage with customers on a deeper level, fostering brand loyalty and driving sales in ways never before imagined.
Beyond transactions, building lasting relationships. In today's hyper-competitive digital landscape, transactions alone are not enough. Businesses that thrive are those that cultivate lasting relationships with their customers, building trust, loyalty, and a sense of community. AI chatbots, often seen as transactional tools, are evolving to become powerful relationship builders. Imagine this. A customer purchases a product through your affiliate link after interacting with your AI chatbot. The chatbot doesn't just disappear after the purchase is complete. Instead, it continues to engage with the customer, sending personalized product care tips, offering exclusive discounts, and even checking in periodically to see how they're enjoying their purchase. These ongoing interactions, driven by AI-powered insights and a deep understanding of customer preferences, transform transactional relationships into meaningful connections.
The AI revolution reshaping affiliate marketing. We've journeyed through the exciting world of AI-powered chatbots, exploring their inner workings and witnessing their transformative impact on affiliate marketing. These intelligent assistants are more than just trendy tech gadgets. They represent a fundamental shift in how businesses connect with customers online. Imagine a world where every interaction, no matter how small, is an opportunity to build relationships, foster trust, and drive conversions. This is the promise of AI chatbots in the realm of affiliate marketing. They empower businesses to break free from the limitations of traditional marketing models, offering personalized experiences, 24/7 availability, and a level of scalability never before imagined. No longer are we confined to static web pages and generic messaging. Chatbots breathe life into the online shopping experience, transforming it from a solitary pursuit into an engaging conversation. They become trusted advisors, guiding customers through their purchase journey with personalized recommendations, helpful advice, and a touch of human-like interaction. Embracing the future, a world of possibilities. AI is here to stay. The possibilities for affiliate marketing are boundless. Imagine AI chatbots in virtual reality guiding customers. Picture voice-activated AI assistants offering personalized recommendations. This is the future of affiliate marketing. AI's true power lies in enhancing human connection. Thoughtful AI can foster community and shared purpose.